Hey guys, welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing a play along of the Copperhead Road by Steve Earle. I am using guitar tabs as I have already mentioned in one of my old videos. Okay, and I sometimes I will strum all the strumming pattern, and sometimes I will play the down strums. Okay, so beware of that, and whatever is comfortable for you, just stick to that. Okay, you don't have to play all the strums. Okay, so here you go. From this point onwards, it pretty much repeats itself. So I'm not going to play the whole song right now. So try this way. I mean, this helps in practicing. Okay, so whenever you are playing along with a backing track or something like that, so where you can see the chords. I mean, you can see the chords here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, you can see the chords in the tab in the app, and then you can play along with the backing track. So that's how you practice.